You know, part of the joy of good cooking is making great food for your friends and family. When you go in the kitchen to cook a good recipe, it helps to know which knife is appropriate for the task at hand and how to use it safely and efficiently. In our knife skills class on March 5th, we are going to show you how to choose a good knife, how to maintain that knife, and how to make the appropriate cuts for the food you want to make. And we're even going to butcher a chicken, as well as cut up a lot of fruits and vegetables so that you'll be practiced and ready to go home and make some great food. You know what? We're going to take all that food and make a good supper afterwards, so you'll enjoy knife skills class not only for the new skills you get, but also for the tasty meal we have to enjoy. This 8-inch chef's knife is just right for cutting up this onion. Notice how I grip the handle and choke down a little bit on the blade. This gives me good control. When you cut up something, you want to create a flat surface to keep the item steady and to keep you safe. To start, let's cut this onion in half. Take half that onion and flip it on its flat side. This keeps it steady. Take a little off the stem end, a little off the root end, and then you're able to peel off that outer layer. There we go. Now we have a nice onion ready to dice up. Taking the stem end and putting it to the back, we're going to make a series of gentle cuts with our knife parallel to the cutting board. 3, maybe 4, depending on the size of the onion. And then vertically go down the onion. Now we're ready to make our dice. Protecting your knuckles and coming straight down. Come back the onion, withdrawing your hand as you go. And when you get to the end, you can flip it over and make a few more cuts to use the most of that onion. Suddenly you've got a nice onion diced up. I'm thinking we're ready to make soup.